Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you what I was doing at Grafton Motorcycle Club on my birthday, and yeah, it was like really fun. That's my friend Mike there, who went riding with me. That's him going over the whoops. Me on my Honda doing a jump. That's how muddy it was, really muddy there. Oh, my doggy, she's so cute. Oh, me doing the biggest jump ever.
Face down on a broken street. There's a man in the corner in a pool of misery. I'm in a white van as a red.
It was really fun at Grafton, and so I'll put the link in the description in below so you can find it on Facebook and maybe go there if you want to. Because there's also a shooting range. If any of your parents have gun licenses, you can go shooting there. But I reckon the funnest part is the motocross track though. And unfortunately my dad ran out of battery, so we couldn't make the video longer and get the rest of the footage. But yeah, I'll see you next time.